Promaster brake job. Everybody just kind of spraying off the brake dust. Try not to ingest this stuff. Okay. Simple job here. First you start off with this. Pull that out. Pull that out. So just like that. And then I have to put it down because we're going to take it off complete. We're going to take it off complete. And pull this around here after we take this bottom spring off here. We're going to take this bottom spring off here. It's going to allow us to bring the brake around here and around here without disrupting this cylinder here, because you don't want to push this one way too far or push that one way too far. You don't want to do that. Okay, and then you see you got this here. This is in there as well. So I'll show you real quick. So I'll get a little device like this. Here, and this end, pull that out. That's the side. Now that we've done that, then without disrupting anything, we just pull that out there. Drop it down. Take that off. Take this. That back. And then here, just pull this. So, there's my vice grip. Grab it right there. And pull that off. It hooks right up in there. How we're going to do this is change this position here. This right here. This. Actually, where the spring go? Take the spring, hook it here, hook it here. Put that there. Take this, put that there. like so. Sling this up. Again. Up there. Sling this part here. Get in there. Take your little hold down pin. Like this. Take the other one. Then get our spring, put it there. Vice grips. Tighten it up real good to hold it. I'm not holding good enough. Tighten it a little more. We're all set. Adjust it down. You slide the drum on it. Put everything back together.